Hey class, my name is Emily Francis. My first year field placement was a school social worker. This is actually my second year field placement. I graduate this May. I'm super excited. I am also a part-time McKinney-Vento social worker at my school. My experience that has been working with families in my job. So I work with a lot of homeless families in our homeless population, providing them resources, doing interventions, counseling related services. I often visit the families. A lot of our visits have to do around attendance and failing grades right now, keeping track of those students. A lot of our students have missed over 60% of the year. I'm at a middle school, so my internship part of it is I go in and I figure out where these kids are, why they're not coming to school, and try to help them. So yeah, there's a little bit of experience working with families. I work with families all the time because I work with students. So the basic structure of the family system are systems in which I was raised. So I was raised in a single family home with a mom and dad and two sisters. When I was 14, my parents divorced. That kind of is the reason why I got into the field of wanting to help people in therapy, because I went to therapy at that age myself. And since then, I've just always enjoyed therapy myself. My kids do therapy. I just feel like it's really helpful in someone's mindset. And that's just something that really helped me gear where I'm at today. One role you have played in your own family and how this role may impact your work with clients. Again, I have two little sisters. They're not so little anymore. They're 21 and 25. So I just definitely had a huge role in their lives, and being a good influence on them was important to me. Any burning questions about family work that you hope to have answered in this course? No, not really. I picked this course because I enjoy working with families and I could always use a little more knowledge. I'm forever learning, so I'm excited to see what the course has to offer. So that's pretty much it. A little about me. I am a mom. That's why I look like this right now. I have a 7-year-old, a 5-year-old, and an 11-month-old. I'm a military wife, and I live in Virginia. So I'm excited to watch everyone's videos.